Okay, here's another sound. Just random one we found them messing around with. Let's go the other way, the way we usually don't go. Nice. Let's go extreme. Sure makes it a lot shorter. Gonna up the reverb a ton and then turn the volume way down. Let's try this again. Let's go extreme! Could use that as sort of like a scream or something. Okay, I'm gonna go this. I'm gonna go add another pitch shift. Go like this. That's actually pretty creepy. Use that for a video. That might be kind of fun. Wondering what that is. Maybe you're in an old abandoned building and you start hearing that in the other room. That'd be nice.